Ostereier suchen und Schokohasen essen? Das ist Ostern. Mit diesem Fest sind viele andere Wörter verbunden, die wir heute lernen. Looking for Easter eggs and eating chocolate bunnies. This is Easter. There are many other words associated with this festival that we'll be learning today. Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In this video, you will be learning some words that are related to the Easter festival. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for learning German for free and in the easiest way. We offer structured courses for A1, A2, B1 and B2 and a variety of topics from grammar and vocabulary to common mistakes one can make in German. You can also visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, podcasts, transcripts, early access to our videos, and more. Das Ostern. Ostern, or Easter, is the highest holiday of the Catholic Church. On Easter, Christians celebrate the resurrection of Jesus and his victory over death. Both Christians and non-Christians associate Easter with the joy of spring, with light and warmth. Der Ostergruß. Die Ostergrüße. Der Osterhase. Die Osterhasen. The hare or the bunny is the symbolic animal for Easter and also the carrier of the Easter eggs. Das Osterei. Die Ostereier. The Easter egg comes in all sorts of colors and shapes. The most famous custom at Easter is giving and eating eggs, and the kids love decorating and painting eggs. Ostereier werden bemalt und verziert. Und danach hängt man diese Ostereier. These are some common customs. Der Osterkorb. Die Osterkörbe. One needs this for the Eiersuche. Die Eiersuche. Another very important custom is hiding the Easter eggs by the Easter bunny on Easter morning. This is what the children are told, and the kids have to search for them and collect them in their basket. Ostereier werden versteckt und gesucht. Der Schokohase. Die Schokohasen. Did you know around 220 million chocolate Easter bunnies are produced in Germany every year at Easter? Das Schokoei. Die Schokoeier. Also very popular during Easter. Der Osterkranz, also known as der Osterzopf or Easter braid bread in English, is a typical bread baked on Easter and has the form of a plated plate. Der Osterkuchen oder der Karottenkuchen or the carrot cake, which is typically baked on Easter. Das Osterbrot. Die Osterbrote. There are many forms of Easter breads that are baked in the German-speaking regions. Der Hasenkeks. Die Hasenkekse. Also typically based on Easter. Der Osterzweig. Die Osterzweige. Oder der Osterstrauß. The Easter bouquet is a widespread custom for Easter in German-speaking countries. Branches are decorated with brightly painted eggs or small Easter figures. Der Frühling. Easter marks the beginning of spring. Die Osterglocke. Die Osterglocken. Also known as the gelbe Narzisse, are typical flowers that bloom around this time. Die Tulpe. Die Tulpen. Also very common to see during spring and used for decoration during Easter. Das Osterlamm. A special feature of Easter is the baked Easter lamb. The baked goods, made from batter, are decorated with a lot of effort and are the center of attention at many Easter tables. Other animals that are associated with Easter are das Küken, die Küken, die Henne, die Hennen, das Schaf, die Schafe. Let's move on to some more words that are associated with Easter. Das Osterfeuer. The Easter bonfires are used to greet the sun in spring, but they are also considered a cult to ensure fertility, growth, and harvest. Die Osterkerze. Die Osterkerzen. According to old customs, the Easter candle is lit at the beginning of the Easter celebrations. The symbolism of the Easter fire is transferred to the Easter candle. Light is the sign of life. Der Gründonnerstag. This day is not particularly celebrated, but only a few church services take place. Der Karfreitag. This day is an official holiday and everything is closed. Dancing and celebrating are not allowed. This day is also known as the Silent Day. Der Ostersonntag. The real Easter celebration begins on this day and is carried on to the next day. Der Ostermontag. On these 2 days, people organize big feasts with their families, go to the church, organize egg hunts for the children, and exchange gifts. The Easter festival ends on this day. Is Easter also celebrated in your country? What do you do on Easter? Do let us know in the comments. Danke. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!